Hello and welcome to this brief tutorial on using webadvisor to drop a course. To begin, log into webadvisor by going to www.webadvisor.sdstate.edu. From this page, select Login. Then use your user ID and password to log into webadvisor. After you've logged in, select the Students menu. Then scroll down to the registration area and select Register and Drop Class Sections. After selecting this link, you will see in red SDSU's drop grade policy. It is important to read this policy as students are allowed a maximum of 6 dropped courses over their entire academic career. After you've read this policy, scroll to the bottom of the page to view your current registration. You will notice any courses you are currently registered in will be listed here. You will also see a series of checkboxes under a drop column beside each of your current courses. If you would like to drop a course, simply click the box in front of the course that you'd like to drop. Then click Submit. In this example, I have checked English 101. Once you hit Submit, it's a good idea to click on the main student menu and then scroll down to the academic profile section and click on My Class Schedule. Follow the prompts given to double check that the course you plan to drop no longer shows on your class schedule. Of course, before you drop any course, it's a good idea to speak with your academic advisor to learn how such an action might affect your academic progress, financial aid eligibility, or academic eligibility. I hope this has helped you understand the drop options and process at South Dakota State University. Please contact your advisor with any questions and make today a great day.